Video is for one of the tools that I use to create my documents in. It's called Notion, and it's like the best thing ever for managing your content. If you are posting on social media, I highly recommend it. You can also use it to create your company documents. Back in the day, I would use Google Drive and create Google Docs in my Google Drive with all different documents outlining my process, and also when I was creating my posts. But I think Notion is a great app. It's a quite a new solution, and I just would love for you to have a look at how amazing it can be. So I'm just quickly going to switch into the Notion, and it's showing my table of posts that I have issued across last 4 months. So let's have a look at that. So when you first come to your Notion, some of the things on the left hand side will already be here. It kind of gives you suggestions of what you can create, but this is what I've created for my social posts starting March 2023. So when I open this little folder, let's call it, I have this table, and this is how it looks. And it's similar to Excel spreadsheet, but it's got other cool features like being able to use icons, and basically it's very user friendly. On a spreadsheet, you can't really have a document like this. So Notion is a lot better. So let's imagine I want to create a post to issue it today. What I do like to do is I would they come under specific categories. So I would just, I know that it's Friday, so I need to create a Friday post. So I'm just going to look for Friday. I'm going to click here, and I can duplicate this. And now I've got a duplicate of it, and it's really easy for me to drag it down to the bottom, because this is where we are, and that's going to be June 23rd. There we go. And on Fridays, we celebrate client wins. So this is my category. And now I can open this, and this is the body of what I'm going to write. So I can write my post in here. Okay. So I try to, write my post in here. And now after I finish that, I give it a little topic. Let's say it's I don't know, foundational thinking. And I've got it here. And the power of this is that, of course, when I go to my Facebook, this is where I issue those posts, I can see all my posts. But if somebody needs my help, I can quickly find a post which relates to what they need, because I know if they're trying to build an offer, or if they're trying to do some marketing, I can quickly find it because I've marked it. And what I do tend to do is, once I post it on Facebook, I take the link to that particular post, like by clicking on the time it's been issued, it will give you the URL here. I copy this, and in here, when I open my actual post in Notion, I add it in comments. So I've got a quick link to this particular post. You see, it takes me straight there. So I just provide this link to people who ask me for help about this particular thing, and it really is quite powerful. So after 4 months, I've got a good database of different posts that I wrote that help people. It's fabulous. I can really sort it quite quickly, and it's a visual way. It's better than a spreadsheet, I think. The other things I do tend to use Notion for is creating my email templates. So let's have a look here. I've got this little folder, and my email templates are here. Some of them are in Spark, which is my email client, and some of them are automated from my CRM, and some of them come in MailChimp. But whenever I want to use a template, I can come here, I can quickly find it by typing, let's say we need invite of some sort. I have an invite to an intro call, to strategy call. I just open it, I copy my invite, and I send it to the person. It saves a ton of time, and it's a really, really cool little app. So I highly recommend to use it for writing your posts, creating your templates, and just having one place for all the written copy that you do. Even copy for your website can come here. It is fantastic. You can add those icons quickly. You can even add your custom icons. You can change the cover. You can add the description of each folder. It's absolutely amazing. You can even share it with other people very quickly. So I recommend this to you, and I hope you enjoy the little video I've created for you.